Ezvid presents the 10 best bow saws. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Bob Dustrude Quickbuck is a collapsible model made in the United States that conveniently fits into practically any hiking pack and weighs just 1 pound. Despite this, it still has a 24-inch blade, making it a survivalist's dream. It's made by hand with a tough oak wood handle. However, some find it uncomfortable to use. At number 9, the Fiskars 7029 is just as well suited to basic garden pruning as it is to tackling large firewood logs. The black coloring on the frame helps it hide blemishes, but also makes it harder to spot when trying to find it in a disorganized tool shed. It comes with a rust-resistant blade that retains its edge well, but the handle isn't very comfortable. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Sven saw has a 21-inch Swedish steel blade that can withstand all types of abuse, and when not in use, it slides into the sturdy aluminum handle for safe and convenient transport or storage. This is definitely a smart choice for field use. It arrives very sharp and assembles quickly. It's made in the United States. At number 7, the Bahco 332-21-51 features a pointed nose that allows it to get into tight areas that other models can't. Unfortunately, this reduces the throat depth in the tip, so if you need to cut a large log, it isn't the best option. It fits comfortably in the hand and the blade has deep serrations. It makes nice, clean cuts. Moving up our list to number 6, the Trooper 30255 has a quick-release cam that allows you to change the blade without wasting a lot of time, making it an efficient model. Its bright orange coloring is easy to spot in a tool shed, and it features a large integrated knuckle guard. It's equipped with an effective tensioning system and a nearly 7-inch throat depth. It's affordably priced too. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Bahco No. 9 All-Purpose has an extra long 36-inch blade that's capable of handling almost any job. The sturdy frame stands up well to regular use, and the included hardened steel edge is designed to never require resharpening. It comes with a quick-release blade change lever and powers through most wood types, but some find it unwieldy. At number 4, the Bahco Ergo comes in 3 sizes, 21, 24 and 30 inches, and is available in a dry wood or green wood model. All feature an easy-to-use tensioning system to ensure you can produce clean and straight cuts consistently. They boast high-quality fittings and a tubular steel frame. They rarely catch when cutting. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Agawa Canyon Boreal 21 folds up for compact storage, making it the ideal choice to take camping, and has an automatic self-tensioning design. It features a glass-filled nylon handle and stainless steel hardware for rust resistance. It sets up in seconds and is suitable for large diameter cuts. The blade is safely covered when stowed. At number 2, the Irwin Combi 218 HP 300 comes with both metal and wood cutting blades, making it a versatile choice. A cleverly designed handle with a knuckle guard keeps you well protected as you work, and the tubular steel frame doesn't flex. The deep throat accommodates thick stock, and it can be used two-handed if needed. It stands up to years of constant use. And taking the top spot on our list, the Gerber Freescape Camp may not look like your average bow saw, but it certainly gets the job done like one. Its innovative folding design is responsible for the non-traditional style, but that just makes it more convenient for travel and storage. It accepts most 12-inch blades and is equipped with a comfortable rubber grip. It weighs less than 1 pound.